All right, gates down to get this thing underway. We got moto number 1, 9 girls. I see Brianna Wick, teammate of mine on BMX Militia, Alice Fargrove, and Elise Gavelcheck. Rolling this thing out of gate number 1 is the number 2 of Alice Fargrove. Second place, coming on strong, that's Brianna Wick, followed by Elise Gavelcheck. So we've got Fargrove, Wick, Gavelcheck hitting it down into this third straight here, pumping it through. Track's looking good. Again, we got Fargrove, Wick, Cable check. Going into turn 3, it should finish that way. Number 21 of Dominic Moodry. Man, killer from straight. Oh, he gets the first one. Pedaling. Moodry with the super tour coming down a second straight. Pump boost. 5:28 of Seth Hendren and the 51 of Colin Bussier. Again, Dominic Moodry cranking it down the third straightaway, pumping through. Moodry, Hendren, great lap, gang. If you have not. All right, here we go. We're working through 9 intermediate. Out for these 41-30 gang. The 91 on the no nice. Steve Shank working it with Jacob Marsh cranking it on the 3. Ragland 41-30 pushing it. No nice is coming on strong. Got a third straight tool here for the 2. All right, looks like it's going to be Ragland. No nice in for the game.
I told my kids.
All right, here's moto number 17. Get into the gate for the 10 intermediate. We got the 61. I think the Power Hill. Well, we got a rider there on the snow side. Okay, 118, Jacob Kemp. The 61 coming on. Here's the 584. 588, hey, Hunter Gill.
You okay?
Racing in top 3. We got Hale, Kemp, and Gill. Oh, I see Gill with the next quarter there, but he's got this. It's like the 61 as well. All right.
Moto 16, we have the 463. That's going to be Scholes and Cardiff. And the race is on if they get that first turn. Anything can happen at the end. We had a big show on that Scholes. Scholes came out in front. We got Cardiff looking to make it up. It's Scholes and Cardiff here 1 and 2. As they head into the second turn. Let's see what
Do you need help, Dad? You good?
action going on. Right now it's Scholes. Scholes still hanging on to his lead. Cardiff in for 2. Kavachak in for the 3 spot. Looks like both these boys want to pick up the win really bad. And here they go. It's Scholes and Cardiff. Cardiff and Scholes.
You okay? Was that just your shoelace?
And looks like Scholes.
All right.
Flying down the rhythm section. It's going to be all about Hunter Gill picking up that win with Kemp on for 2. 11-year-old novices, motor number 18, we're keeping on. One rider will transfer. Right now we got Nice. Nice battling it out with Wheelnut. It's Wheelnut and Nice, your 1 and 2 ride. Who wants it? Who needs it? As they go side by side through the turn, we got Nice. Nice overtaking the lead. But the competition is right there on the back wheel. We got a new leader now. It's Wheelnut. It's Wheelnut and Nice battling it out. Side by side, here they go through the rhythm. But it's going to be Wheelnut. Wheelnut breaking away, taking that transfer spot. In your 11 novice class. And USA Jersey is going to take a transfer spot with Kennelly taking the second one. Motor number 20, total points class. This is 12 novices.
No, Corey.
Seems to be in staging. Okonski out front line by the 453. It's Okonski, Reeves, and Kavachak. 1, 2, 3. Single file Indian style. They are headed in.
Hey, Corey.
that way anyways.
4130 and with Joshua Perry.
If I get it.
All about 4130. Tabor Perry. Tabor Perry. Dylan Tabor. Come on. Dylan Tabor. Jumping stuff and having fun. That's what it's all about, gang. All right. This is total points, so it's going to be Tabor, Perry, and Austin. He's going to get it. Oh, yeah. Big round of applause for the boost down the third straightaway.